Tal chicos, el día de hoy estamos en otra partida de Marvel Rivals. En esa partida me confundían con un Smurf que estaba smurfeando por jugar Thor de esta manera. A veces los mapas son muy buenos y a veces las partidas simplemente salen muy bien. Sí, soy bastante perseverante y agresivo con Thor, pero todavía me quedan muchísimas cosas por mejorar y seguimos mejorando. Thor es un personaje agresivo, Thor es un personaje muy bueno, es uno de los, no voy a decir el mejor tanque, ha sido un tanque bastante agresivo y con mucha movilidad. Y un tanque con buena movilidad es un tanque que sobrevive, es un tanque que puede ser agresivo y es un tanque que destroza. Thor no solo tiene buena movilidad, sino que también tiene muy pero muy buen daño. Así que chicos, os dejo con la partida y espero que se la disfruten.
I'm hulking out! Battle Fury burns! I am barely wounded.
Keep going! Please,
Battle Fury burns! Behold the God of Thunder!
I am ready to put on a show! Ultraman out!
I am vulnerable. I am vulnerable.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Great, not bad. Back to limbo with you, Demon Queen. You really need to vet your clients better from now on, Elsa.
Close with a scratch. Slow down. Slobbering time! Awaken the rage of battle.
You're halfway there. Keep going!
Serve but a splinter and he will regrow. My power grows.
We are undefeatable!
Lightning can fight it. Mine enemies crumble. I'm hulking out.
Double KO! Get that vehicle moving again! That's 3! I'm trying to help.
Captain Asgard.
These mortal beings deserve their freedom.
Behold, Dark Child!
Please, we're hurt.
Behold the God of Thunder! I am easily wounded.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Another foe vanquished. Lightning confinement.
I am ready to put on a show!
God.
last adventure.
'Twas but a scratch.
Diablo's hungry!
Lightning confinement.
They're sneaking in from behind.
Captain Asgard.
Ultron Rings. My power grows. The wrath of Asgard. I am barely wounded.
From hunting monsters to saving them. Good thing Dad isn't here today.
You would have
Here's how you shoot.
serve but a splinter, and he will regrow.
Sweet moves, right? Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Dodge this, mate!
Get that vehicle
I
moving
am
again!
barely
Behold! That
the
child!
rage of battle.
Hurry! The game's not my eyes on his ball if it catches us. There you are, you cheeky gits! Nice gun, Frank, but it's in the wrong hands.
No more hiding, Punisher.
Dinner time, no!
I am barely wounded. Behold the god of thunder!
Double kill!
I came, I saw, I smoke! Judge! Jury!
Unbelievable!
Executioner! With a scratch. To battle again!
Only 60 seconds left.
I have suffered severe damage.
Get that vehicle moving again!
I am barely wounded. Our adversaries gather. My power grows.
That child!
Down to 30 seconds. Double KO!
Lightning confinement.
Did you see that?
So close! This is your big chance!
Oh, did you see that? Enemies on your tail.
What battle can continue without Thor?
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Here's how you shoot.
God.
I am ready to put on a show! Only 60 seconds left.
I am easily wounded. Slow down.
Us against the world.